Welcome to your sound meditation. Today we're going to combine the sound of this beautiful handpan with an exercise, one of my favorites. It's called square breathing. What we do in this exercise is we divide your breath into 4 parts. We breathe in, we hold the breath, we exhale, and then we wait. We do each of these parts in, hold, out, wait for 4 seconds each. Okay? Let's do a few of those, and then I'll add the handpan. Ready? We're going to breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and hold your breath. 3, 4, and exhale. And now wait. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. Hold your breath. Out. And wait. Breathe in. Hold it. Exhale. And wait. 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 Keep going in. Take a breath in. Hold. Exhale. And wait. Keep going like that. Breath in. In. Breath in. Hold it. And exhale. In. You're breathing in, holding it, then out, and wait. Just like that. In. Breath in. Breath in. Exhale and wait. Few more in. Hold it and exhale. Wait. Breath in. Hold it. Exhale and wait. Last one. Breath in. Hold it. Exhale. And now just breathe at your own pace. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Let's take a breath in together. And just let it go. You can consider doing square breathing anytime you start to feel stress, anytime you need to calm your mind, calm your nerves. Nice job.